Mike, thank you. Last night, strong winds caused power outages across the area. We've been tracking those numbers as NYSEG and National Grid get more customers back up and running. At last check, NYSEG reported that no customers are without service, so that's good news. Everything's been restored there. National Grid is working to restore power to more than 1,200 customers this afternoon. Well, the outages were not the only side effect of the winds. Check it out. Crews have been out overnight and throughout the day today cleaning debris. You see this tree, it fell on a car on Ashland Avenue in Buffalo last night. No one was hurt, but that is not the only tree that came down in that neighborhood. News 4's Katie Alexander has been keeping an eye on the conditions for us today. Katie, you are outside. How's it looking out there right now?
Well, Mel, we're seeing a few isolated snowflakes coming down. It's certainly breezy, though, and that's making it feel even colder than it is. The big problem with this wind, though, is that it's blowing stuff around, especially the power lines. In Alden, NYSEG crews were at work all morning trying to make repairs on Town Line Road after a tree took down primary power lines. The road was closed to traffic between Broadway and Westwood while we watched crews put up a new crossbar and restore power to the area. It's going to take longer to get everything cleaned up from the wind on Norwood near Ashland in Buffalo after a tree fell last night, taking down a front porch. Today, part of the tree had been cut up and removed, but the porch roof was still down on the front lawn. Neighbors tell us large dead trees are a big problem on this street. The wind by itself is a problem in other areas, taking down power lines at the intersection of South Street and Louisiana Street this morning. We saw National Grid crews at work there making repairs. Everyone out in that area today, though, needed to be bundled up and braced for the winds whipping around.
The wind's blowing, it's tough walking, Gotta stay inside, gotta get out, walk the dog. It's brutal out here. It's blowing bad.
Yeah, wherever you're going today, please make sure you keep an eye out for any sort of debris. With the wind blowing like it is, a lot of trash cans especially have been blown over. So there is a lot of trash and other debris in the streets. Reporting live, Katie Alexander, News 4.
All right, Katie, thank you. After being pushed back for nearly a month, winter parking restrictions in the city are finally in effect. Parking is banned on city bus routes between 1:30 and 7 in the morning. This allows for plows and salt trucks to make their rounds without vehicles blocking their paths. And you can track the snow with the Forewarn Weather app. It's free to download for your mobile device, and it gives you up-to-date forecasts all day long.